Once you arrive in the village, apart from the fact that you need to unpack, there are important things to do first, especially during the festive season. We went to work immediately because, as you saw in the last video, we arrived when it was still daylight. I'll start with this base for my cooker. You remember in one episode of my Christmas vlogs when we moved into this house for the first time, I said I'll build a base to bring up the cooker to match the top of the rest of the countertop. This thing is not good like this. I need to build something to elevate it so that it will be the same level. If not, when I'm cooking here, the heat will be going this way. The guy that made my kitchen cupboard has built it a long time ago, but it has been sitting in Lagos. We brought it back with us this time, and that's the first thing to install before the festive cooking starts. A chop go brekete. You can trust me on that one. See, it looks much better and it's safer actually, because when the cooker is lower, the flames from the burners at the edges will be touching the sides of the kitchen counter. Not good. Not only will the heat destroy your kitchen counter, it's a fire hazard. Next, I put the tomato puree that my mom prepped for me in containers and store in the freezer. She only blended and boiled it down. She did not fry it so it can go bad easily. Good morning, guys. It's our first morning in the village and settling in continues. Look at how this bed is. Look at. So, my job this morning is to clear everything. Ned is still sleeping. Kamsi is awake. He's downstairs. My husband is outside. My brother-in-law and his family. Some of his kids are here. Some of his kids schooling around here. They are back. But he and his family, they will come back later. Today is what? The 23rd of December, so 2 days to Christmas. Look at what this wardrobe looks like. Look at scatter. So my job today is to clear everywhere. We got somebody to clean this place. Look at her room. The bed is not made. Usually when we come back, we don't come back to the village with our big boxes, so we transfer everything in these kinds of bags because it's much easier to transport, and this is what we come to the village with. So I'm going to arrange Neddy's wardrobe because she's still sleeping, she's tired. Somebody cleaned the house for us, so it's generally clean. So the only thing remaining is to pack her clothes in here for her. We are going to greet people. We haven't greeted anybody. So we're going on relatives greeting round. Ideally, you should go greet your village people with the bread you bought for them before they hear that you are back. I mean, circumstances vary, but that's a good thing to do. I'm teaching you Igbo culture now.
Welcome.
Margaret, happy Christmas.
I wish you the best.
No. China, yeah. Chen. I like how I got this face. They're gonna keep this out. Auntie mother. Oh, nyaka. See my auntie. You people remember my auntie? thank God now. I thank God now for it. I get a share. I get anybody that share. If you can, Jehovah Jireh, Mewoya. Onye Tiani se Mewoya. Praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Yay! Yay! Again, are you feeling? Hey! Adabank, Adabank, it's quite good. Mine is going to type. What I can say. Hey! Equal. Hey! I'm going to be offended. Hey! Also, dear man. Auntie Wadu. I got a second. Chinyere number 1. Hey! If I hook we will. Hey! But I came my own. No. Hey! Ready. Hi. Maro mama. Na. Ogunga. Yeah! Oh, go have camp. No, it's in over. Hey, I'm a man I can't afford. Hey, I will go. I make yes, nobody own do she long back. Do one basic weather. Look, come coach and work at the Chara hang la Alamaro. Yala Talochem Kuraho. Quality them one. I come not know to laugh. On more gas effort. None was young, less I got up. I know why they met to. Oh, God, that's a man. Oh, Unalo. Oh, Munabuno, I love it. Oh, my. Hey, Unalo. I can't like a samba. Oh, to you, a mouth. Hey, on our shine. Why? Okay, well, is Christmas. Hey, okay, go be Christmas. What a good Benny. Hey, Hey, Allah, God. What's that? No. Manga table to wet there, and I'm able to. And went out here and I any label to the logo. Okay, I can't do it. You might be able okay, I would remember. Hey, Namunalo. See, boy, get one. Take him. Iguchagon Gitan. Eh? Iguchagon Gitan, okay? I'll go secondary school now because the last time. One boy, I want my carry. I want my cousin, you know, this going my young. Yeah, my good girl. I go below and put your or soon they walk here. Hey, corner. You want I didn't know. I'm a crazy. Hey, I'm not one. She boy. Yeah, but bandit and can wear set on. Can you not go? Biochemistry. Wow. You guys remember our head boy now? Our school prefect. That's him. He's now in university studying biochemistry. First year. Ika Baraba. Congratulations. Look at you boy. I watch a good man for Hey! Oh no. What can it why? Uncle kwa yopi. Hey, uncle kwa yopi. Hey, uncle because you got him step because you got him 2 steps. Uncle you got him 2 steps because you got him. Hey, I'm American. You see kwesi we better. He put up my winter cap. My winter cap kwa. Hey, okwa yobi. Nokwa don't agree. Hey, I'm gonna be even that because. Thank you, man. Ahụ amaka. Biko mma bịakwa soro unu ka na-eri ihe unu na-eri kan. Eziokwu ahụ amaka gọ nkụ. Anyị na-enene picture agbọghọ be anyị. Asa nwa be m. Ọ maka.
Ịma esi ọnụ m aga.
Ka emezi niga.
Nne m ha afọ ọ dị ya ala akọ. Abọwarucha. Esi ọmụga.
Ewo.
Asị m ha gawa nnọọ. Ha adụcha m.
Ndo. Hey, Oluchi nwa m mgbe ọ na-abịa agbalụ m egwu look at. Oluchi agaala di. Ọ gaala di.
Echi ya emedi ego n'ụwa. Saturday la.
Saturday every 1 week. Wow.
Hey.
Congrats to them. Una amakacha nekwe
no place like home.
Uncle,
like otu mbe mmadụ adụle.
This year the akwa market try abata. Maka
ọmadu very necessary.
Because my hele ile ma ahụ nke nhe la ahụ. Onye kọrọ la jo sikọrọ ka ije.
O man.
Look at ihu shiga dị.
Ha kwesịrị ịbịa gbuo efi a today. They've cut the ube tree. Look at the stump. Look at the wood. Gosh. So this place is now open because ube was destroying the zinc of my husband's cousin. I can be here today because I need to cook. I need meat to cook soup. I will eat. Oh, one day we're gonna go. I'll go to her. Come on. Auntie don't land with her abacha.
African salad.
Yes, so. We went to the market this same day. I bought a rope for my clothes line and I have to install that now. We stayed in Lagos for some days before coming to the village, so we have some laundry to do today. We still haven't installed curtains in the bathrooms, so the guy came to fix the tracks today. When I tell you guys that you never finish building and furnishing a house, you don't believe me, do you? You can see it playing out here. We brought yam from my mom's place, and since they did not prep the cow that day, I decided to prepare yam and fried eggs for dinner, as that's the only meal that had the complete ingredients. We ate, and this is not even everybody. More than half of the people that will spend Christmas here with us this year are not yet back, so this is just the beginning. Watch out for the full squad later in this festive season series. By the end of the day, I was so tired, but I managed to clean up before retiring for the day. Christmas holiday in Igbo land is no holiday. Did you hear that? I'm holding my ears. It's no holiday. You'll be on your feet all day long, but the good thing is that it is fun and an experience of a lifetime.